Everyone is dreaming of becoming a pilot in India, but no one is talking about the reality, the complete roadmap of how to become a commercial pilot in India. Hi, my name is Chetan Pipada. I am a commercial pilot. In this video today, we'll be talking about the complete roadmap of how to become a commercial pilot in India, from 12 till getting your commercial pilot license. If you seriously want to become a commercial pilot, please watch this video completely. Meanwhile, please hit the subscribe button. We'll start with the basics. The basic will be you have to pass your 10 plus 2 with physics and maths. If you don't have physics and maths, or if you are from a different background like commerce and arts, no worries. You can pass your physics and maths from NIOS, that is National Institute Open Schooling. Once you complete your physics and maths, the minimum requirement is 50%. This is not a criteria for getting your commercial pilot license, but nowadays airline prefer pilots with minimum 50%. After completing your physics and maths, now you can apply for your DGCA Class 2 medicals. I'll be making an entire video on DGCA Class 1 and Class 2 medical and will be uploading soon. After getting your Class 2 assessment, now you can apply for your computer number. That is basically a roll number for a pilot throughout his journey, where you can apply for your exams on that particular roll number. So after applying for your computer number, now you can enroll into a DGCA ground classes and start preparing for your DGCA exams. Enrolling into a DGCA ground classes will cost you around 2 to 3 lakh rupees. It depends from different to different academies and ground classes. After preparing for your DGCA exams, now you can appear for your DGCA exams. So the duration for preparing your DGCA exams will somewhere take you around 3 to 6 months, and each single exam will cost you around 2500. That's a regular attempt, and online on demand exam will charge you around 5000 rupees for each exam. So in total there are 6 subjects for DGCA. I'll be again making an entire video on a complete different 6 subjects of DGCA. After passing your DGCA exams, now you will have to appear for your DGCA Class 1 medical. It's similar to your DGCA Class 2, but it contains little more extra tests. So this DGCA Class 2 and Class 1 medical can be conducted by any DGCA approved doctors and also Indian Air Force doctors. After getting your Class 1 assessment, now you can start your flying journey. So enroll into any flying school in India and start your journey. So in total, you will be flying 200 hours. In that, 100 hours will be your PIC, 15 hours will be your multi-engine, 10 to 15 hours will be your instrument flying, and 5 to 10 hours will be your night flying. Rest will be your dual training with your instructors. So after completing your 200 hours, now you'll receive your commercial pilot license. So what to do after getting your commercial pilot license, I'll make another video for that. I hope you find this video informative. Please share this video with your aspiring pilots and do let me know in the comment how did you find this video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe me, hit the like button and share it with your aspiring pilots.